In today's video, we are going to talk about personal function settings. In order to access personal function settings, head on over to your profile icon and press the personal function settings. In this video, we're only going to look at general settings. Please refer to other videos for more information. First, we're going to look at screen settings. The theme color as set default will be set as a default color. However, when set manually, you can choose the color. The font size, PC and mobile versions can be set manually as well. The margin, when set manually, can be resized to your needs. The size can also be set. For line spacing, you can also change it so that there's more space in between lines or reduce space in between lines. Rounded corners basically let you set how rounded you want the corners to be. Very rounded or somewhat sharp. The stripe pattern is when you use it as use, you get a stripe. The do not use means there's no stripe at all. When you remove lines, there's no lines in between. However, by pressing do not use, there's lines in between every cell. The auto-fit screen end when in use will automatically adjust the templates. When it is not in use, it ignores the resolution size and just keeps the template to itself or to its original size. Dark mode is when you want to have your screen on a dark mode. Save whenever you need. The second thing we're going to look at is sensitivity setting. It sees how fast the highlight will show up when you hover over to the icon. So by putting it to slow, it takes a lot longer time. Putting it to fast, it hovers over and shows the result pretty quickly. The third option is called Slip Input Mode Priority. By clicking on Move and View, here you can use the arrow keys to quickly move around. The second option is Enter and Modify. When you use the arrow keys, you cannot move. It only moves when you hit Enter. So when you have data filled in, you can use the arrow keys to move within the cell. The next one is called Set Initial Screen. By selecting it as My Widget, the initial screen when you log into ECOUNT will be the widget screen. And the second one is whatever you want the screen to be. For instance, customer vendor setup screen. Like so. Lastly, you can also make a My Page setting. By clicking on FN, you can add groups, add a smaller group or a subgroup, right-click to change name, and once you like this group setting, you can input menus by selecting them and clicking the arrow button, and make sure to click Save. Once that's done, you can see that you can see the When you click My Page, you see it as you have set it.